Well, hello Rangers. This is our last week of school for the 2019-20 school year. It has been an eventful and interesting school year, especially these last few months. You've had to learn how to adapt and be resourceful during this distance learning time. You've had the opportunity to learn Google Hangout, where you could attend meetings, classes, tutoring sessions, and time with friends. You've demonstrated the character traits these last few months. You did a great job using orderliness by doing all your schoolwork and self-control by working with your family at home. Now for the month of May, you've been able to bake and work on lessons related to cooking. So now let's check out some of our great cooking adventures. Wow, those look absolutely delicious. Great job, Rangers. Now we've had the opportunity to showcase some of the great activities that are happening in our blue and white track classes. Now let's check out what's happening in Mrs. Aslan's red track virtual classroom.
Our red track students at Santa Rosa have an opportunity to come onto campus one day a week for workshops. This year I taught 5th grade math. During the math class, we go over word problems and I allow the students to work together to come up with strategies to solve those word problems. Then we discuss as a whole class what those problems look like. Since we have been quarantined, I have been meeting with students virtually on Fridays and the workshops have become optional. Let's take a look. So who can tell me what the equation is for volume?
I can.
Go ahead, Ian.
Length times width times height.
Perfect. What did you do to solve that?
8 times 5 times 3.
What did you do when you multiplied 8 times 5?
40.
And what about, and then 40 times 3? What is that?
120.
Awesome.
Back to you, Mrs. Herron.
Well, thank you, Mrs. Aslan. Now, boys and girls, this is our last time together doing the flag for the end of the year. Please take your hats and caps off, put your right hand over your heart, and Jesse and Isabella Alday, please lead us in the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Our time this year is quickly coming to an end, but I treasure the time, boys and girls, that we've had together. Before we sign out for the year, we wanted to recognize some of our amazing classes with a big shout out. Congratulations to our kindergarten class. You're now on your way to 1st grade. Great job. To our 5th grade students, your elementary journey has just ended, but your middle school is just beginning. And to our 8th graders, you're officially entering your teenage years and the next chapter in your high school career. We are so proud of all of you and best of luck in the new year. Congratulations, Rangers. We will miss you all over the summer, but look forward to a great 2021 school year ahead. Goodbye for now, and we will see you all next year. Welcome to the, what is this again? And you've used orderliness by working hard on your work. Good job, Rangers. Put your right hand over your heart. I forgot who was doing it. Entering your height. Oh my gosh, I'm laughing. I'm sorry, I couldn't help it.